In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete all posts on Facebook page. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, you need to open up Facebook app. After that, tap right here to go to menu. And here, first off, we need to switch from our main Facebook profile to the page. To do that, we need to tap right here at that arrow. It will show us all our pages here in this pop-up. I'm gonna choose that one. And when we are switched to our page, we need to tap right here at Pages Profile Picture to head over to it. And then just scroll down until you find this button, which is called Manage Posts. Now I'm gonna tap at this button, and that's where it will show me all my posts on that page that are currently shared or scheduled. If you would like to filter posts by some parameter, you can hit right here at Filters, and then let's say I want to filter them by Published. That will show me posts that are currently published, and then to remove one of them, we need to tap right here at three dots and then hit at Delete. After that, to confirm it, hit right here. Unfortunately, here we do not have function to delete all posts at once, so we have to do the same steps with each post we are going to delete. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.